First thing you need to do is if you already do not have the Wingstop app, you need to get it on your smartphone. And once you get the app, you can sign up with Google or your email and name. And on the app, you'll be brought to the screen right here where we can either click on carryout or delivery at the bottom of the screen. Change your location in the top right-hand corner, which is what you want to click on to add your zip code so you can deliver it or carry it out from a certain Wingstop location. Once you've actually selected your delivery address, you click on carry out or delivery, depending on the one you want. And once you've actually selected your location just on the screen right here, you just want to click on carry out option or delivery if that's what you're looking for. And you can basically add items to your cart just on the screen right here. And once you've actually added all the stuff you want to your cart, you can add multiple and just customize them however you would like. You can add it to the bag like so, and you can add more stuff, or in the top right corner, you click on the bag option and you can actually click on checkout at the bottom of the screen where you want to enter in your day time do you want it to be delivered or picked up, and you can enter in a promo code. I just recommend Googling Wingstop promo code and check out, and your order will be ready to go.